Cheshire Cat from the Barbecue Pit Boys Rolling Acres chapter is grilling up some, sticky chicken with a side of grilled pizza. You gotta check this out. Oh, and it's real easy to do.
All right, we're gonna start on the buttermilk pickle juice brine. So just take some old milk. You don't want it like separated and you don't want it to be really gross, but maybe 3 or 4 days out of date. It'll start breaking down the meat faster than milk. I use milk in steaks. I've done a pork butt where I injected it and soaked it in milk. Old milk works great. So it's really not a measurement in how you do this, but let's say 2-to-1 ratio pickle juice versus milk. 2-to-1, 2 parts milk, 1 part pickle juice. So today I'm using Almighty, and I'm going to use some of this Big Texan. So let's say, now it's about 2 tablespoons there, and say 2 tablespoons there. Use a hickory and mix it up. So these chickens that I quartered up, put them in the bag. Pour some of this brine in there. Okay. So these are going to sit in here for 24 hours and just marinate. Okay. We'll check back tomorrow. All right, so these have been brining in milk and pickle juice brine for 24 hours. So what I like to do when I start the grill, especially like these Kamados, they take a little bit of time to come up to temperature and then even out. So what I do is I take my chicken out. It's easier to cook chicken when it's already like at room temperature than it is to put it in cold. I mean, you could do it frozen, you could do it any way you want. This is just the way I prefer. So I will season these now. And within an hour before I start to put these on the smoker, you're going to see all the moisture get pulling out of this. So what happens when it hits the smoker, all that moisture is going to get sucked right back in, and it's going to be good. So I'll check back in an hour. So these have been sitting out for about, I'd say about 45 minutes. As you can see, I did use Almighty and I did use Big Texan. Those two are both universal rubs. They're very, very, very good and very good together. So as you can see, the sweating is coming up. I just burped this real quick. I got it set to 300. The reason I chose this Kamado is because these are very good at getting very hot, but they're also very good at going slow and low. So basically what we're going to do today is we are going to be slow and low at about 350 degrees, and then we're going to take them off. We're going to dunk them in the barbecue sauce, and then we're going to put them back on. This time it's going to be about maybe 400 or 500 degrees. So that's going to make it the sticky caramelization that we were going for. Then after that, we're going to try and do some open coal pizza. So that's going to be a first. So, all right. These are probing around 160. Get up there, All right, it's time for these to come off. So what some people do is they boil the chicken and then they put barbecue sauce on them and put it back on the grill. Some people just start right off raw. We're gonna smoke these chickens first, so I'm gonna make sure they're cooked all the way. Now I'm gonna raise the heat up. I'm gonna dunk these in barbecue sauce and put them back on again. When the barbecue sauce hits the diffuser down there, it's gonna come up and it's just gonna add more barbecue flavor to the chicken. So check back in 15 minutes. All right, we got the Kamado at 500 degrees. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take these chicken, I'm gonna dunk them right in here. Get them nice and soaked, put them right on the grill. Nice and soaked. All right, good. All right, after a few minutes, you can see that the deflector is burning it up and it's coming up, and look how nice and smooth these look. I mean, this is the sticky part. Like I said, when I was a kid, my parents would like boil the chicken, or they would roast the chicken in the oven, and then they would dunk it in barbecue sauce and put it out on the grill. So this is sticky chicken. It's gonna be good. All right, we're gonna try some sourdough pizza. We got the Kamado up to 450. I wanna hit it with some spray. I'm gonna take this pizza dough, I'm gonna flap it right on top. I'm gonna let it go for a minute or two. All right, I'm gonna throw a little SPG on here. Yeah, we're gonna have to go a little bit longer. You made it look so pretty. I messed it up. I know there's going to be a lot of you should have, you should have, you should have. All right, let's see what happens. All right, after a few minutes, here's what we got. That's pretty good. That looks good. Okay, try number two. Throw a little SPG on there. Sticking to my fingers. Second one on. A little more SPG. Coming pretty good. Check back in a few minutes. Okay. This one's about ready to come out. Look at the bottom. Oh yeah, that's good. We're gonna be eating good tonight. All right. Red pepper flakes. Oh yeah. Sticky chicken and pizza for dinner. It's gonna be good. This is the part where the pitmaster eats in front of you. And I will not apologize. Oh, you hear that crunch? Oh, that is good. It is good. Ah. No, it isn't summer. Until I have some of this sticky chicken. And it is sticky. Ah. Look at my mouth. This is good.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.